Rolling out recipe number 2, guys. Thanking the folks at Ocean Delight for making this one possible. We are using some Mahi Mahi. And I'm doing, as I said, a kind of Mediterranean type of dish. I just had the Mahi Mahi searing with some lovely spices. I did salt, pepper, some chili powder, some cayenne pepper, and I also did some smoked paprika. So nice strong spices that seared 4 to 5 minutes on either side, and I'm going to just allow this to rest. And while that is resting, one person that will not rest today is Johanna Chuckery, because she's coming to help me make the sauce.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can't wait.
Yeah. In front of the pot, my dear. So tell me, let's be honest with Trinidad and Tobago, the Caribbean, and the entire world that's watching. Do you cook?
I'm going to cook today. Does today count?
Today. Are you a virgin in the kitchen? No, you've been in the kitchen. You know what the stove is.
I know where the stove is.
You know where the stove is.
I know that this is a pot, pan,
This is
oven.
This is the oven.
Yeah.
That's.
Not too sure.
Does you do no We're gonna get Joanna making my Mediterranean sauce. It's a lemon creamy sauce that we're gonna kind of add some Mediterranean flavors.
Sounds amazing.
Very simple.
Everything here looks
And the fish
amazing.
will be served with it, right?
Okay.
Let's start. So I am going to be handing you ingredients.
Okay.
And you're going to be handling the pot. So I'm going to add some onions straight to the pot.
Am I supposed to be stirring?
And you stir.
Okay.
And you stir. So the onions will kind of get all that lovely flavor from the Mahi Mahi that was searing there. So I have this fancy piece of equipment that I just want to add some crushed garlic.
So how do I know like how hot it's supposed to be?
As soon as your fish comes off of it, you want a hot pan to kind of just bring everything together, all the vegetables together. So I'm adding some nice butter there now. Just allow that butter to melt. So what I want to do now is use some chicken stock.
Okay.
Any type of stock, vegetarian stock, and kind of deglaze the pan a little. So I'm adding all that lovely stock in there. And I want it to come to a boil, a bubble. Joanna, that nice little bubble you're seeing there, I'm ready to add some heavy cream, or cooking cream. And I'm adding that in there. So it's a lemon cream sauce, Joanna.
Lemon cream sauce?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm using
hence the lemon.
some fancy lemon,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
You
I
can't
thought it
use
was
the rough
already
lemon.
in there.
No,
Okay.
yeah, so you can't use the rough lemons.
Okay.
But Marla likes fancy things, and I don't know where she gets these fancy lemons from.
It's a very good looking lemon.
Yeah, so you just kind of do a nice little, and this adds so much flavor. But you want to be careful. You don't want to get down to the rind. So
Is this what we call zest? Is this like
That's
lemon
right.
zest?
That's right.
Like, okay,
You
see,
go to
I
the
don't.
head of the class, John. The head of the class. Mix it.
Okay.
Keep mixing. Keep mixing. I don't do anything without good Trini green seasoning.
Okay.
In different parts of the Caribbean, it's called so many different things. I just learned in St. Lucia, it's called Mom's seasoning.
Okay.
So it's like mommy makes the seasoning in St. Lucia.
Yeah.
It's called Mom's seasoning. And now for the Mediterranean kick.
Okay.
Now for the Mediterranean kick. Do you like olives?
I do. I like olives a
Thank
lot.
God, I do. I love olives. So I just really just have some olives that I just want to shake in there.
I can
Keep
help
stirring, Joanna.
scrape that out. Okay.
Oh my goodness,
left
let's
it
not
here.
leave anything back. Right, very good. And keep stirring. So this here, Joanna, it's something called a little slurry. So it's cornstarch, equal parts cornstarch and water. All it does, it helps thicken that sauce very quickly.
Nice.
Very, very simple. Cornstarch, water, and I want to throw that in there. And now you need to keep stirring. Stir. It's going to get thick very quickly.
Oh yeah, I'm seeing it getting
Yeah,
thicker.
it's getting thick very quickly. Just to the end, I'm going to add a little shadow benny. It's getting thick
Oh
and nice.
wow, yeah.
Keep
It's
stirring.
getting really nice and thick
Keep
now.
stirring. I'm taking my Mahi Mahi and reintroducing it to the pan with that sauce. Yeah. And I just want to take a little and just just kind of pour over the sauce a little bit there.
That looks so good.
Oh, so good. Another final touch, more Mediterranean flavor. This is feta cheese, guys. And I just want to sprinkle some feta cheese on top of the fish. You can take off the fire now. My final little touch is just a little bit of lemon juice just over there. And I want you to go and have a seat now.
Okay.
Let me plate up for you.
This is the fun part
This
here.
is the fun part. So you have this wonderful cream sauce that Johanna Chucky created. So the piano girl will not only play piano now, she is going to do lemon cream sauce with a Mediterranean kick. I have some of this wonderful sauce that I just want to get at the base of this plate.
That looks so good.
Final touch. Just a little bit of shadow benny love. There's nothing like shadow benny love, you know. Joanna, thank you, taste.
I am so excited. Joe.
Joanna.
That is good. I'm loving the sauce on it.
You get the Mediterranean kind of flavors coming through, celebrating that Arabic, Syrian community that is so vibrant in Trinidad and Tobago.
It's really good. It goes really well with the Mahi Mahi.
Really Mahi Mahi.
Yeah.
Thanking the folks at Ocean Delight for making it possible. It's about seafood this summer. Whole array of different types of seafood. And we use the Mahi Mahi today. But with this dish, guys, you can use salmon, you can use snapper, you can use different types of fish and just kind of create a lovely sauce. Once you have that lovely base of that sauce, any type of seafood will go well with it.
And it was not difficult to make this sauce.
You did it. I just added the ingredients.
Well, I mean, I was just stirring. I was like a lot of stirring.
You did a
It
good
was a
job
lot of stirring.
Joanna is coming back, guys. We're putting a wrap on it. We're getting you to sit down, chat with her, and she may have another little piano playing to do when